Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about TickTick. So this is a platform where we can organize our work, we can make myself creative too, and this is the platform help us to make our work perfectly. Like we can do whatever we want, like we can make sure our to-do list, we can complete our task, we can create our tasks. So it helps us to organize our life, and also it helps us to capture our ideas perfectly. So let's dive into the main topic and discuss each and every part in this video, like as a beginner. So I also going to explore the thing with you guys. Just follow the video and you will understand all of the thing about TickTick, and you are going to implement after the video, I hope. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be create an account here, or here you can see what kind of feature they provide. Just click over here, you can read the feature to-do list, like boost your productivity with your to-do list, with your calendar, with your metrics, with your habit. So you have option, you can see all the features here. They have voice added option, they have widget option, they have third-party app add, also they have task management option. So you can explore whole page if you need it. So I already did complete, so I don't want to explore further. I just want to go and create an account. Before this, I will give you the option for premium option. Here you can purchase their plan, which will be give you more productivity option. So it will take simple or little charge, which is you can pay if you want, but we can work on with the free version too. So I'm going to click on sign up for free, then I will create an account. So they are asking for email, so right now I will go with the continue with Google option. So you can do like Apple one, then they have Facebook one also. So I'm going to create on Google, then I will connect my account with this app TickTick. Then I am going to click on continue. Once I click over here, my TickTick account completed. So now they will redirect me on TickTick platform, where we can see an amazing interface. Look, you can see, right, we need to be complete little bit more tasks like habit tracker, and also like this you can skip it or you can continue it. They are asking us choose to-do list. You needed work, memo, shopping, wish list, everything I needed for the TickTick. TickTick is really great platform. Throughout the process, TickTick will help you to make yourself more productive. I can assure you, even you are so much lazy or you are not organized at your study or work, it will help you to do organize your work, your study, your life. So I think TickTick will play a big role on your life. As you can see, we have here various options. This we already added. We can remove it if we need it. We can just click over here and delete. It's totally easy. So now we are going to explore everything here. Just calendar view. Here you need to be upgrade the version to watch this calendar. So we don't have access to do it, but we have access to do it this habit tracker. So you can develop a habit in using this TickTick. They will track your progress, they will inform you, they will give you the notification, and it will make sure that you are practicing your habit every day perfectly in perfect time. So eventually you can see it will help you. Also you have Ishawar matrix. It will give you the analytics, like if you have any urgent work, then you will find out in this option, in the red option. If you have any not urgent or unnecessary work, then it will be so in the option. So here you can see we have sections which is divided to various works. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, we want to create a task. So for that reason, we need to be click on add task option. So here I will type a name that might be something like your work. So I am a developer or a content creator, so I will make here content, then I will click on create. So here once you click over here, you will get further more option. Content task completed. When you check it, when again you recheck it, it will be find out that this task is not happened yet. So now you have more option, like here you can see you can add subtask here, like I am a new video will become, then script editing. These are my sub task. So whenever I am plan to make a content, I need to be make a video like shooting, then I need to create a script for my video, then I also need to do editing myself. So it's really awesome. Then you have the option in the corner, you can see in the right side in the bottom. Here we have various options like we saw when we click over here, totally similar, you can see totally similar. So the main thing is, if you check it here, the task has been completed, you can see. If you again recheck it, the task has not completed. So this is the simplest thing. Then you have option to make your view list, so you can make it this way. Also you can add new section here, like you are making a new section like new task, then you can do it like recently I will face my exam, so I am going to make a section about exam. So I am going to add some task here, just plus button and just right here English book, then math, then science, and that's it. These are my subjects, so I just write over here, these are completed. Then also you can use by this way, like you can create an option that the task, then you can make progress, then you can create another one completed. So whenever you complete a task, just drag and down, this one is your task, new video making. When you are working on the task, just paste it here. Once you complete the video, you are now on progressing mode, just drag it out here. You can track, by this way you can track your work, you can know the progress, how you are progressing, is it complete or not. Whenever your video making complete, just here paste it complete. So this give you productivity, and this give you the organized work environment. Also here you can see next 7 days work or task here, just give here and write programming. This is my 7-day work, I want to create a website. So here you will get this option. Now you can add subcategory here, one by one, Shopify store. So it's really easy, so you need to be explore like me one by one, then you will understand everything. Then we have further option, that is habit option. You can see the habit option in the box of here. Let me close it, and here you can see we are going to create an habit that will be daily check-in. So here you need to be add something like gym. I want to do gym like 21 days, so frequency daily I want to do my gym. Then the goal, achieve it all or reach a certain amount. It's totally up to you. What kind of goal do you set for your life? So it's totally up to you. Start date, I am going to start from today, so that's why I choose May 6, or you can choose 7, 8, whatever time you prefer, it's totally up to you. Then goal days, you can select 21 days, so you want to track that I want to complete my gym within 20 days, so goal days will be complete after 20 days. Then section, you can when you want to do it, like it is in the morning, afternoon, night, or when, it's totally up to you. I am going to do in morning. And here we have the reminder option. It is a one kind of a alarm in the phone, so it will give you the notification to do your gym every day at 9 a.m. So you can auto pop up habit log, you can check it or not, it's totally up to you. Again, you need to be click on save. Once you click over here and save, they will give you the option when one day will be reached, you need to be check it out, and you need to be right here, and then again click here save it. In this case you will understand that the tracking has been done for you, like one by one you are tracking it, and you are know right now where you are standing right now, how much progress you did throughout the process. So this helps you to make your life so much productive. So you can change your habit by using this option or this section. This is great feature, so you can try it. And the task, so these two are literally help you throughout your career, throughout your work process. And this TickTick platform will help you to make yourself more organized and more productive, and you can track your work, you can set your goals and track and progress all those things as in a one platform, ticktick.com. and they also provide apps you need to be download in your phone, which will help you furthermore give by notification. So I hope this video help you to understand about TickTick.com, and who are not productive yet and who are suffering from this problem, they can try this TickTick platform. This might helpful for them, and in the end I just want to give you a suggestion that will just become so much productive for you. It will help you in your future. So let's end the video here. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you find out this video is simply or little bit helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the thumbs up button. Till then, have a good day.